remember, $6.95 this box is. Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. You spoke, I listened. The video I did on the Walmart beauty box has more views by far than anything else I put out, so I signed up my sister and got another one. They have so many different variations. I just had to try and see if I got a different variation than in my subscription, and I did. So with this one, it's variation 1. Mine, I want to say, was variation 10. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was. On mine, we had the bonus box that was just a single purchase, and it was the same one as the one I got. It's still available, so I didn't get that one with hers as well. It's called the Beauty NK in X. I don't remember. I think Beauty NK upgrade, but I will put the link below for the Walmart beauty box so you can give it a try if you want to. It's $6.95 plus tax, and you get it seasonally. So this is the winter box. It comes out 4 times a year, and you just get automatically billed and reshipped. So all that said, let's dig in and see what's in variation 1. They come all nicely packaged with the tissue paper. Oops. And a little pamphlet. This has information on the different products that you may have in your box. I think this might be all the items, and you will get some, but I don't think this, because this looks like the same card I got with my box. So I think it's not specific to the box card. But what we're going to do is see what's inside. Now, what you're going to get in the Walmart box is items from Walmart's beauty department. So it could be hair care, makeup, skin care, accessories, all kinds of fun stuff. I've gotten really good scrunchies, all kinds of fun stuff in here. And I can already tell you I'm in love with this one. I have, if you watched the Glossy Box Advent Calendar unboxing, in that one, it came with the kind of just oval-shaped Tangle Teaser brush, and it doesn't have a handle. I've actually been wanting to try the one with the handle, and I haven't ordered it because I have the other one. I have 2. My sister has 1. So the Tangle Teaser brush is just a brush to help you get the tangles out of your hair after you wash it. I've used it on wet or dry hair. It's got little 2-level bristles in it. This one has a nice weight to it. It feels good in my hands. Very cool product. I can tell you from shopping these myself, this is like a $10 or $11, maybe $12 product by itself in our $7 box. So we've already got it paid for this one item. Everything else is gravy. So let's see what else we got. Okay, ooh, e.l.f. A lip exfoliator, brown sugar. You guys, I have such issues with my lips. I'm forevermore having to put on lip balm and chapstick, and actually not even chapstick. I have to get a special lip balm, but my lips are always peeling because they're dry, and I always have to exfoliate. And I love one that comes in a tube like this. I have the ones in the little pot, but you've got to dig it out and rub it all over. I've had one like this before, and I love it. You just rub it on like a lipstick because it's in a lipstick tube, and it gets your lips all exfoliated, gets some nice soft cloth, damp, and wipe it off and put on some moisturizer, and you're all set. But I am so excited to try this one. This one is mine 100%. I'm not giving it to my sister. The next thing we have in here is a CoverGirl eyeliner. This is a gel eye pencil crayon. So this is going to be a twist up eyeliner. That's a nice one, CoverGirl. Another, this is not a cheap product. I haven't bought eyeliner. Admittedly, I haven't bought eyeliner in so long. I could not tell you, but my guess is this is a $5 or $7 product. It might be $2 or $3, but CoverGirl products are always in the somewhere between $5 and $10 range generally. So I'm guessing that's what this one is as well. Our next product is from EOS. You guys, EOS lotion. Shea butter. My sister and I just went through some previous box stuff to kind of sort out who gets what, and I got all the hand lotion. She was like, Beth, you cannot keep all the hand lotion. I was like, watch me. This is another really good one. This one is just natural shea, vanilla, and cashmere. So this is going to be vanilla fragrance. I bet it's sealed. It is. And like I said, I've got a ton. I'm not going to take the seal off this one because I've had lotion separate. If you keep it too long open, it will separate. So to keep its integrity, I'm going to keep it sealed up. The last thing we have in here is an Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. So another lotion. This is a purse lotion for me. I will stick this in my purse. I currently have been using, what's it called? It's another one from the Glossy box. I want to say Castana. It was the one that we got the lotion and the soap in the box. It's such good lotion. I love it a lot. It's nice and thick. It doesn't leave your hands greasy. But I've got that one. I have another one from one of the other boxes. I have lotion at my desk, by my bed, in my bathroom, in my purse, everywhere I go. It's like my chapstick. Wherever I am, I've got one. So I've got the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing. On the subject of moisturizing, on the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box that we got, it came with those gingerbread hand masks. I used those the other day, and I'm telling you guys, my hands have been so chafy and dry. My knuckles are still a little dry because they are pretty bad for one use to fix, but the backs of my hands have not been rough. I mean, just with one use, you put them on for 20 minutes. I hesitated to use them because, you know, with the face mask, they're wet. And that was my idea with a hand mask because I haven't tried it before, but it's actually a plastic glove. The outside is dry. I could do what I needed to do. I just sat in my bed and watched TV, and for the 20 minutes, it was good. And my hands feel amazing still. And this was 2 days ago I used it. So big fan of hand masks. I'm going to try those some more. There's still one more I have. I think I gave it to my sister, but I'm going to use those the more I get them. So that is our Walmart box. I'll show you again. So remember, $6.95 this box is. We got, I'm trying to get everything up at one time without dropping it all. That might not be as easy as it sounds. Okay, so we got 5 really good items. Of these, 4 full size. We only got 1 actual sample size, which is the lotion, because the brush is full size. All these other items are full size items. So $7. Any one of these would have been $7, with maybe the exception of the Aveeno. And you get all of that. So I highly encourage you to sign up for the Walmart beauty box. I'll put a link. I don't have like a referral link, affiliate link, or anything for it. I just am a big fan of it. So I will put the link that you guys can go to the website to sign up if you would like to do so. You will still get the winter box, one of the variations, signing up now. Just whenever you sign up, you'll get whatever the current season is. I signed up probably 2 weeks ago-ish, and maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, and just got it today. So it doesn't take very long. Thank you for spending some of your day with me. I hope you enjoyed this box as much as I did. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, hit that like, let me know what you think in the comments below. And more than anything else, I wish you guys a great rest of your day. Thanks for joining me on Beth and Boxes.